Show me some more jumps. Show me. Wow, that's super high. Wow. You do a somersault for me? That's not a somersault. Show me fast somersault. Oh my gosh, that was super fast. I don't think Ethan can do a somersault. Wow, that's a good jump. Oh my goodness. Where'd you learn to jump so high?
My daddy.
From your daddy?
My mommy.
And your mommy?
Yeah.
Oh, you know Nana's my mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My daddy, my mommy.
Huh?
I mean Diddy.
Gigi's Nana's mommy.
No, my not Diddy.
Oh, wow. You can get so high. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow, you're just like a bunny rabbit hopping everywhere. Oh. You're crazy. You're a crazy jumper. What are you two?
Jumpy!
You're getting so big. How old are you now? 2.
Yeah.
Show me 2 fingers. Say, I'm busy jumping, Mom. You gotta get a booty, Liz.
Jump on me.
I can't jump. I got a baby in my belly.
Jumpy!
Where's Tyler at?
In your body?
In my belly.
Yeah.
See your brother?
Huh? Huh? Oh. Down. Mommy, Dada.
It's a tractor.
Yeah.
Do you think it was Daddy?
Down. Yes.
God. He's a good boy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dirty.
You should better give your puppy love. He loves you.
No, Bobby.
You're so silly.
My dirty.
What are you gonna do? Oh my goodness.
I'm okay.
I'm okay. You're a nut job. You know that? You're nutty. Oh, are you counting? What are you counting to? We got a wedgie? Good job. Count to 10 before you go. Count for me, Liz. Please.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You're so hyper. You're okay?
Mommy.
What?
Mommy, that's my foot. That's my foot.
That's your foot?
That's it.
No, I'm not going to grab it. You're going to hurt yourself.
Please.
No, it's going to hurt you.
Ready, that, 2.
What are you you trying to do? You need your baby. Here's your giraffe.
I need my baby in my lap.
You need your baby on your lap.
Yeah.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
It's a dash.
Hurry, Liz. You got your baby?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, careful.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Mommy. Mommy, do busy that.
Ready, set, go. Whee!
She's without me to run. And you come, Mommy.
Okay,
Mommy,
what?
baby turn.
Baby's turn.
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
Here.
You're silly.
And you sit on my lap.
You're gonna be
Times.
one more times. You're gonna be such a good big sister.
Mommy.
What?